In this quick video, I am going to show you how to disable camera on iPhone lock screen. Actually, this method will disable the camera app on lock screen as well as the camera app on home screen. It's not works on all situation. It's only works for, let's say, if you go to a function or friends gathering or meeting. For your privacy concern, you want to hide your camera on lock screen means you can use this method. After that meeting or function, you can turn off the option and you can use the camera app usually. Okay, let's get into this. First open your settings app, then scroll down a little bit and open screen time. If you turn off the screen time, just click turn on screen time. Tap turn on screen time. This is my iPhone. Okay, now it's turned on. Now just open this content and privacy restrictions. Now turn on this toggle button. Yeah, now you can see this option allowed apps. Open that. Here you can see the camera option. Just disable this. That's it. Now minimize this and open the lock screen. Yeah, now the camera option was completely disabled. If you tap, nothing will happen. And you can also see the camera app was hidden on the home screen. After you finish the function or meeting, just came here and turn on this. Just like that. The camera app was also came to the same place. And this is how you can easily disable the camera app on iPhone. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.